to What's Cooking at HEPL. Today we are going to make a blueberry pie from Kate McDermott's Art of the Pie. This is one of my favorite cookbooks and I love to share pies with my coworkers and neighbors and everyone. So let's get started. So we have 5 cups of wild blueberries. These were frozen, they have thawed. You can use fresh or thawed fruit. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice and the zest of an orange. You can also add orange liqueur if you prefer that to the zest of the orange. Now I'm adding some sugar, flour, and salt. And then just a dash of nutmeg. If you have fresh nutmeg, that's even better. And then 2 tablespoons of instant tapioca. And in the past, I've used cornstarch instead of tapioca, but this works really well. And I'm glad I discovered this through this cookbook. And then we're just gonna stir this all together. It's a really simple recipe, and it has a lot of flavors in there. So for the purpose of this, I am using store-bought dough. I have made the Art of the Pies butter and shortening dough, and it is delicious, but today we're just using store-bought dough, which I know usually comes out perfectly. So I'm going to add the blueberry mixture to the pan, to the pie crust. And I am using a deep dish pan. Now I'm going to roll out the top pie crust. And lay it on top. I usually fold it over. To create a seam there. And I often get complimented on my homemade pie crust when I use the store-bought dough. So then I usually just take my fingers and go in and out to form kind of a pattern around the edge of the pie. It's not the most beautiful thing, but it just gives it a little bit of shape. Then I am just going to cut some vents in the pie. I usually cut 4 longer ones and then 4 shorter ones. And then I'll just put on an egg whitewash. I'll put this all around the edge. And then in the center of the pie, just all over the crust. Now it's ready to go in the oven.